Hi, so now let's make sure we have our server running, okay? And let's take a look at our admin. So now we have categories and products. And if we open product, we can see that we have the name, the owner, the description, condition, category, and so on. But we forget to add the brand. We need to identify the brand of this product. So if we take a look at the data we've collected from the front end, so we need to identify a brand. So let's fix this issue in this video. So first of all, I'm going to take this class, copy, just like this. I'm going to leave this image. There is no need for image in the brand. And I'm going to say brand. And this is the brand name, just like this. And this is brand and brand. And we need to return with the brand name, just like this. Okay, there is no error in our server. So now we've added a brand class. So this is for product brand. We need to add a field for this brand in our product model. So here we need to add a brand. So I'm gonna copy this, duplicate this, and I'm gonna say brand, and this will be with the brand class, just like this. So now let's clear our server screen and let's make migrate to apply the changes we've added to our model. So now we've created a model brand, we've changed meta options in category, we added a field brand to product. So let's migrate and let's run our server. So now if we refresh our page, we can see that we have a brand. So we can add a brand to our product. But first, let's add a new brand from home. There is no brand here. Why? If you remember, we said every time you create a new model, you need to add this model to admin device so that you can see this model in the Django admin. So I'm gonna duplicate this with brand. And if we refresh our page now, we can see that we have brands. So if we open brand and if we add a brand, and we're gonna add a brand Apple. So let's save. And if we open products, if we open iPhone 6, if we move down, we can see that we can add a brand, and let's hit save. So now we can add a condition, category, brand, and so on, and the owner. So now we have the brand. So let's review the data we have from our front end. We have the title, the price, the condition, the item type, the description, the price of the brand, but we don't have images. We don't have images for the product. So we need to define images to our product. We need to add those images in a separated model. And this is just to help us to have many images for only one product. So let's do this. So we're gonna define a new class here for images. I'm gonna say class product images that will inherit from models.model, and this images will contain the first thing, the product and the image. So first for product, we're gonna say models.foreign key. This is a foreign key relationship, and in this foreign key we're gonna add the product, and we're gonna say onDelete equal to if we delete a product, we need to delete the images. So we're gonna say models.cascade. And for images, we're gonna use a normal image field like this. Actually, we need to change this to category. Yeah, like this. And this is for products. And let's add those str in our class. But we're gonna retrieve the product. So now we have a new class for product images. and for every product image we have the product and the image. And later we can filter those images using this product and get the images of a specific product. So now we need to make migration migrate because we've added something in our models.py. So we're going to say make migration. So we've altered field imaging category, we've created a model product images. So let's migrate and let's run our server. And now we're gonna add this product images to our admin.py like this. But later we're gonna change this to something else, to something greater than this, to help us insert images for the product easily. So now let's refresh. So let's open home. So now we have product images. As we can see, there is an S. So let's fix this. So we're gonna add the meta tags like this. So we're going to say that we have product image and we have product images. So let's refresh. So now we have product images. So let's open this. Let's add an image. So we have the product iPhone 6 and we can add an iPhone 6 image. So let's see this information or this image. So let's save this. iPhone, yeah. And let's add this image, the iPhone.jpg, and let's hit save. So we've got an error. str return non-string type product. Because here this is a relationship, and in the str we're returning this relationship. So this is not allowed. So we can retrieve something like, so let's see. We can see self.product.name. So let's see this and let's refresh. So let's say continue. So now we have iPhone 6. So this iPhone 6 had this image and so on. So now we can add product, we can add categories for this product, we can add image to this product, we can add actually more than one image, we can add a brand and specify the brand for this image. This is awesome. So now we've added almost everything about this product, and we need to start adding the static file settings and the media file settings to fix this issue, so that we have a new folder with new products that contain image. We need to save those data in our media folder, and we're gonna do this in the next lecture. See you next lecture.